I remember when I got my first magnifying glass, binoculars from my grandpa, and every time I watched through it, I got a little confused because whenever I looked through it, it wasn't sharp. So I went to my grandpa and I said, "Hey, Grandpa, thank you for the binoculars, but I think they are broke." And he asked me, "Do you know how to use them?" And I'm like, "Yeah, you just look through them, and it's all supposed to be sharp, you know." And he said, "No." So he said, "Look at these binoculars, and you're gonna see that this one side got a little thing that you can turn around. You're gonna turn the whole part around. And you're gonna have another one that you can turn around." And he said, now when you're gonna use the binoculars, you're gonna look through only with this one eye, where this thing cannot move. Sometimes it's on the left side in some binoculars, and sometimes on the right side. I got it on the left side, so I'm gonna look through the right eye, and while I look, I'm gonna do this thing, and until I'm sorry, until I'm gonna see sharp with the right eye. Okay, so let's say this is the right eye, and you're gonna turn this around until you get a really nice and sharp view. Okay, I got it sharp on my right eye, and now I'm gonna open my left eye, and probably I'm gonna see a little wishy-washy with my left eye. So now you're gonna, how do you say it in English? Well, probably the easiest way to explain is, now you're gonna turn this around until you see sharp with the left eye. There's one exceptions with binoculars is, let me explain it this way. This is a 10 times 26, so it's a binocular that you can't zoom. Some have a zoom function, and usually it's something like this too. And this works actually exactly the same. You zoom with one eye, and then you correct the other eye with this one moving part. Okay, as always, thanks for watching, and how about another video?